Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to exclude a group in WordPress. Whether you want to clean up your site or customize functionality, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress site. Click Log In at the top right corner, then choose Continue with Google. Make sure to select the correct Google account and you'll be in your dashboard in just a few seconds. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Quick Links section on your dashboard and click Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can make changes to your site's layout and functionality. In the site editor, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot icon. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This menu lets you customize many aspects of your site, including which blocks are visible. Inside Preferences, go to the Blocks section. Here, you'll see an option called Turn Off Group. Toggle it on, and the group will be immediately excluded from your site. That's it. Your site is now cleaner, and unnecessary blocks are hidden. And there you have it. Excluding a group in WordPress is quick, easy, and gives you more control over your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.